hi everyone, today we're checking out the song Phir Milenge from Coke Studio Pakistan season 14. So it was highly requested from 2 a.m.
Yep.
Okay.
We had to go back for it.
So it's Faisal Kapadia and Young Stunners, and they said it's, you know, as emotional as Doka Har Paase. As for me, Doka Har Paase or Mohabba Ki Hundi. So I'm really excited to check it out. And
I'm ready.
Phir Milenge. It means till we meet again. I know it from Phir Milenge Chalte Chalte.
From the
Bollywood, yeah. So excited.
We're having a dictionary.
Yeah,
here we go.
A little bit.
Coke Studio, season 14.
Yep.
Brace yourself. My heart is beating already.
Why?
I don't know. They said it's emotional and
okay.
Like
Buckle
I
up.
am.
Buckle up.
दिल के किसी कोने में ही याद तेरी
Ready.
मैंने छुपा रखी है.
Don't go high. I
Ready.
would cry. No.
छुपा रखी है.
छुपा रखी है.
भूला नहीं तू भी मुझे बात यूं ही मैंने बना रखी है. बना रखी है.
Listen to the rain in the background.
समाया थे दिल में वो ऐसे अनजाने तो मिलते फिर समाया थे दिल में वो ऐसे अनजाने तो मिलते फिर कैसे तुम बारिश में भीगे हम बहते समंदर किनारे जो रहते उम्मीदें लगा के वो बैठे जो अपनों के गम वो भी सहते. ये दुनिया तो चाहती के बहके ये बाग सी खुशबू से महके.
मिले दर्द बहुत कभी तू भी मिल दिल में रहती नहीं जानम तू ही दिल. आज फिर आई ना तू इंतजार रहा मुस्तकिल तवील है गम की शाम कहानी मोहब्बत की मुख्तसर नजरसानी करो जरा सी.
Okay, wow. He's a rapper and his words at the end are rhyming like mustaqil, mukhtasar, because it sounds like Arabic. So
he hit every syllable in the whole line, not only in the end.
Just take it a little back.
Unbelievable.
मिले दर्द बहुत कभी तू भी मिल
मिल
दिल में रहती नहीं जानम तू ही दिल. आज फिर आई ना तू इंतजार रहा मुस्तकिल तवील है गम की शाम कहानी मोहब्बत की मुख्तसर नजरसानी करो जरा सी कदर करो मेरी कला की. जाने वाले चले जाते हैं किस्मतें ही तो काबू में नहीं आती. छाँव में धूप की तरह जिस्म में रूह की तरह गुजरे दिमाग से याद तेरी लगातार लहू की तरह. अब खाए जाएं ये दरो दीवार मुझे किसी भूख की तरह. तेरे बिना नहीं घर भी घर अकेले महसूस ये किया. तेरी कमी पूरी हुई ना आज भी रही एक दिल में खला. खिजा भी आई वक्त और दिल का बाग भी रहा ना हरा. तेरा ही एतबार बाकी सारी दुनिया पे भरोसा नहीं बना.
I really don't want to interrupt the flow of the song, but wow, this part, wow. Just listen at the rhyming at the end.
Yeah.
हुई ना आज भी रही एक दिल में खला. खिजा भी आई बर वक्त और दिल का बाग भी रहा ना हरा. तेरा ही एतबार बाकी सारी दुनिया पे भरोसा नहीं बना. तू मुझ में देखे इंसान बाकी सारी दुनिया को दिखे बस कला. तू है मैं हूँ और गहरी खामोशी हम दोनों ही नहीं सुनते जो कुछ भी ये कहती होगी. गली है दिल की तंग अब तेरा उसमें आना ना हो. दिल के मोहल्ले में अब तेरे मेरा जाना ना हो. तू है मैं हूँ और सिर्फ फासले हैं राब्ते मुनक़ता और मुंतज़िर हम आपके हैं. राज़ी नहीं राज़दार भी क्या मांगते हम खामियों पे पर्दे लोग कम ही यहाँ डालते हैं. हम सिरहाने रख के ख्वाब रातें जागते हैं. हम तुम्हें तुमसे बहुत बेहतर जानते हैं.
सरगोशी में लूं नाम तेरा तेरे लिए मैंने हया रखी है.
हया रखी है.
भूला नहीं मैं भी तुझे मेरे लिए मैंने सजा
जिंदगी पे लिख चुके हैं फलसफे इतनी दिल लगी कि खुद को ही ना पढ़ सके बेकदर तो दर बदर यूं बेखबर ही चल पड़े यादें खींचती हैं आगे ही ना बढ़ सके सादगी बन चुकी है बाजुदी मुंतजिर खड़े उसी मकाम पे हम आज भी आज फिर तू आई नहीं आज फिर तू शायरी आज फिर तू एक गुमान याद तेरी खाएगी वो थी मेरी रजा अब दुआ बन गई ऐ मेरे खुदा क्या सजा बढ़ गई मैं जागूं सारी रात वो सुबह बन गई गरज के बरसते अब ये बादल नहीं तू मेरे हर दर्द की दवा मैं धूप में खड़ा महसूस कर जरा मौसम बदलते हुए देखे हैं लोगों के बदलते रूप की तरह शामिल अब तेरे दीवानों में मिलेंगे ख्वाबों में रहते ख्यालों में उलझे सवालों में क्या तुम पहचानोगे या फिर मेहमानों से कैसे भरोसा करे अब इंसानों पे तू ही ख्वाब तू ही मेरी ख्वाहिश तू ही एहसास मैं बयाबान तू बारिश मिलेंगे फिर कभी उम्मीद भी तू आस भी खुली किताब करते जख्मों की नुमाइश
Ooh, my wounds are so okay.
खत्म होती है
पूरी नहीं हर कसम होती है फिर मिलेंगे कभी अजनबी की तरह इस आस ने दिल में सुबह रखी है सुबह रखी है
सुबह रखी है
सुबह रखी है
This hope has let the light remain.
Can you believe that line?
He went to the light
Wow.
at the end.
Wow.
I thought about a lot of things as the song was playing
Yeah.
and I forgot them all.
Okay. Typical. Yeah, I totally get that. You
Okay.
know.
Can I just
Yeah, sure. Sure, go ahead.
Just
No,
start.
go ahead.
No, I was just thinking, like, without thinking, just top of my head, I thought that this one, Pirmelenge, and then it would be followed up by 2 a.m. You know, like,
would
it's
be-
a heartbreak song, you
Yeah.
know, and then 2 a.m.
Actually, yeah.
Like, all people are not faithful, and you make promises with one, and then you fulfill them with another. So
Yeah.
then they go to Zishan, Ali, and Star Shah, and they console them with this song 2 a.m.
Yeah, I totally. Do you know what? In the end, he went to a hallway.
True.
And if you think about it, when you go through the hallway,
Then
you're gonna
Star
end up
Shah
in the,
It's
then you're
waiting.
yeah, in the other town, you know.
He's
like,
waiting
he
him
opened-
outside, you know?
Yeah.
And then
Because
he starts
Doka.
singing Dorgo ka har paase.
But
Dilo
really,
video chora ki dene boliyat
Do you know-
chute hase.
we're talking about Pirmelenge now.
Yeah.
Pirmelenge.
Pirmelenge.
Focus. We're here.
Chalte.
We're here.
Adios. Yeah.
Truly a masterpiece. Okay, okay. Who actually directed this one?
Zulfikar.
The one who recorded, the one who directed that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what I actually found in common? The fact that the camera went, the singer was here, you know, and walking, and the camera following him.
Yeah.
From behind.
Okay.
Like the way it did with Star Shah.
True.
You know, like walking in the hallway,
Yeah.
and in the end he found the light here. You know, he
Yes.
found the light, he found the
Yeah.
greenery and all of that, like hope maybe, and the way the way
light.
to cope with everything. You know,
He
copes
said it
with,
at the end. Suba rakih.
it kept the hope and the light shining. You know,
Yeah.
in me.
Yeah. Oof.
Lyrically, I can't even talk about it.
We have to listen to it once again just to follow with the rap part.
Yeah,
And
actually.
I love the rhyming at the end when he,
Yeah.
you know, some words are, you know, like Arabic, you know, like mukhtasar and
Yeah, it had a lot
mustaqil
of
and, but-
similar words in Arabic. But I kept reading and
and I want to
didn't,
see and I want to read and I want to follow
I didn't
up.
pay attention to the video much. I feel like watching it all
Yeah, we
over
have to watch
again.
it once
But
again.
with actually watching the video, I didn't get to watch a lot. Especially in the rap part, you know, like they kept talking really quickly and the English are like that long.
Three
and
people?
I'm trying. Yeah, three.
I felt like 2 rappers and Faisal.
Two rappers and one
Young Stunners.
Yeah. Maybe Young Stunners are two.
Yeah.
They rap.
Yeah.
They are a rap group, a rap duo.
Wow,
maybe.
super. And I felt truly as the song progressed, they were inside a house that's decorated, with the lights and everything. And as you said, they were walking, and then at the end, like, he went outside and everything, like, not exploded. He went out to the light. He got out of his, sadness.
Maybe.
Heartbroken heart, maybe.
Yeah, maybe,
wow.
maybe. Heartbroken heart.
Heartbroken heart. Dil ki tora. I don't know. So, wow. Maybe it's Urdu. I think it's Urdu. It's not Punjabi, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
And
where do you rank it? Where do you rank it?
You mean among
the
songs
what we
listen to?
What we heard.
I love such type of songs,
I know you do.
I don't, especially in Coke Studio, I love sad songs, that talk about love and, deceit and everything. I love I and, Pasuri, we did it.
Yeah.
And the last one, Magron La. But I don't prefer, vibrant songs and dancing, more than sad songs. Those are my preference, love songs, and especially when it's, heartbreak, I love them. Yeah. There's one recommendation also. It's Mehram. They said it's also similar to 2 AM.
Actually, yeah, it was very similar to it. From the.
But there's no Zishan Ali.
The chorus.
But Zishan Ali is, make it or break it. He did it for me.
The direction was top notch, in my opinion.
Zishan, Zulfi.
Lyrically, the way they picked every detail.
True.
Was.
They said Coke Studio season 14, each song it's a masterpiece. So I think we're gonna do them all.
And in 15 we're actually, like they are incredibly great.
Wow. I loved it.
We can never get enough. Yeah. Like, I know that that we are truly
and thank you for
suggesting
it.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time. Per melenge. Next time.
Now we're gonna have to wrap it up. For any recommendation, make sure to drop down a comment below and don't forget to like the video.
And of course, our journey with Coke Studio Pakistan will definitely continue, so stay tuned for more.